Hi, my name is Haley Wood, and this is my AEP 858 Module 1 introduction video. A few things about me. I received my bachelor's degree from Kansas State University in elementary education, and I am currently working on receiving my master's in education administration. I have been teaching for 3 years. My first year was in 4th grade, and the last 2 years I have been teaching 6th grade math. And next year I will be transitioning to a new school where I will be teaching 5th and 6th grade math and science. I was at Learned Middle School last year, and next year I will be at Maxville Elementary School. Learned Middle School had a little over 900 students in the whole district, and my new school will have a lot closer to 230 students, so it's quite a bit smaller of a community in school. Both of these schools have quite a bit of low-income families and a very diverse population of students. A little reflection of how my school or district analyzes or uses data. Data hasn't seemed to be put of much importance in the last school that I was at. We did have a program called the iReady, where there was a diagnostic and growth monitoring that the students took in math and reading. They did this 3 times a year, and we could kind of look at the progression from the fall to winter to spring. The only main thing we used this data was kind of for instructional groupings. I had a class at the end of the day where helped those lower level students, and so this diagnostic really helped just kind of which students I wanted to have in that class. But other than that, our school really didn't place too much importance on it. We really didn't have conversations. We have a weekly PLC meeting, but those conversations really weren't a main topic where we looked at the data. And then state assessments, our principal shared the results with us, but we never had conversations or discussions about what the scores were, what we could do to improve them. So just there really wasn't a lot of importance placed on looking at and using data in my last district. My knowledge of using data, it's been pretty limited. I use the data kind of for small group instruction, that class I talked about, or in my whole class, what I would do, just kind of use the data to make the groupings. My first year teaching, I had a pretty good experience. We met with our superintendent, principal as a group. We did that at least twice a year, and we had conversations just specifically about data. We had to select specific students out of our class, talk about where we wanted to see them get, the specific steps we were going to do. So there was a lot of conversations there in my first year that I had. My proposed plan, I want to learn from this class as well as just learn from more classes, kind of what I can do. Continue just to read and learn about how I can use data to help improve the environment for my students and help them progress. My new administration, I kind of just want to reach out to them and have those conversations. If I don't feel like we're having those conversations about data, I think maybe I can reach out and initiate those conversations and kind of place it of more importance than it was at my previous school. And since I'm at a new school, I just want to kind of start new. I'll have kind of a fresh slate so I can start out right away using the data, looking at it, just making those first couple of steps. So thanks for watching.